In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account in 2021 on your phone. So I'm on an Android device, but this will also work on an iPhone or any other iOS device. So basically what you want to do, you want to go ahead and hold your profile picture, then go to settings and then hit about again at the top down. And now you want to hit help. And then you can see verify your YouTube account. To verify your channel, you'll be asked to enter a phone number. We'll send a verification code by text or voice call to that number. So hit the blue text verify number and then open with Chrome. There we go. Open with Chrome again. And it's going to open. There we go. Here you can see account verification step 1 of 2. You have to select your country and then send a text or a call. So I'm going to select text and then you can change the language. So basically change this to the language where you live and what you speak. And then you want to enter in your phone number, hit submit and basically enter in the text. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to verify, but that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe and see you next time.